Hello, this is Miss Turner, and we are going to be doing some math today. Today, we are learning to solve addition and subtraction math problems. So what are we learning to do today? That's right, we'll be solving addition and subtraction today. We'll know we have it when we can use drawings to help us solve our math problems. So today our strategy is we are going to use drawings to help us solve our math problems. So here is our first math problem that we're going to think about. It says we caught 9 fireflies. Some flew away. 6 fireflies are left in the jar. How many fireflies flew away? So our job is to think, how many fireflies flew away? I see some numbers in this problem. So the first number I see is 9. Can you show me 9 on your fingers? There were 9 fireflies. That is our total. Some flew away. That's our missing part. We don't know how many fireflies flew away. Then I see another number here. 6 fireflies are left in the jar. Show me 6 on your fingers. 6 fireflies are left in the jar. That is the part we know. So we're going to solve this problem using a number bond, an adding sentence, a subtracting sentence, and then we are going to draw a picture. So when we solve this math problem, the first thing we are going to do is fill in the parts that we know. So when I think about that problem, I know it told us a number at the beginning. That number was our total. What was our total? Do you remember? That's right, our total was 9. So I can write 9 at the top of my number bond. There were 9 fireflies at the beginning. Then some flew away. Do we know how many flew away? No, that is our missing part. We do not know how many fireflies flew away, but we do know how many there were at the end. How many fireflies were there at the end? Do you remember? You can go back and look. I see that I circled the number 6. 6 fireflies are left in our jar. Is that a total or is that a part? It's a part. That's the part that we know in this problem. We know there were 6 fireflies left in the jar. That is a part, and we have a part that we don't know. Now we get to fill in the parts that we know into our equations. So I know our parts when we are adding. There is an adding sign, a plus sign. Our parts come first and our total comes after the equal sign. So I know we know one of our parts. We know 6. 6 is one of our parts in this problem. There were 6 fireflies left. Do we know the other part? Do we know how many fireflies went away? No, we don't. Do we know the total? Yes, we do. We know our total is 9, so I can draw a 9. Then I can fill in my subtracting problem. I know subtracting problems start with the total. In Miss Kerr's math song, we always sing, we start with the total. So our total comes first, 9. And then we have a part that we know. Our part is 6, so I can write 6 here. 9 take away 6 equals, and we don't know the answer yet because that is our missing part. Now the strategy I'm using today is I'm using a math drawing to solve. When I do math drawings, I do circles. My circles are usually about the same size, and I'm just leaving them open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles for my 9 total. Now that I have my drawing, I get to circle the part that I know. How many do we know? Right, the part that we know is 6. We know there were 6 fireflies. So I'm going to take my pencil and I am drawing a circle around the part that I know, so it is separate from all my other drawings. Now I get to count. How many circles do I have left? I can cross them off as I count. 1, 2, 3. I know that my other part is 3 because my first part is circled 6 and my other part I crossed out 3. So I can go back in my problem and I can put a 3 in my number bond. I can put a 3 as the solution for my subtracting problem, and I can put a 3 as my missing addend in my addition problem. We have solved that problem. Yay! Good job, my friends. All right, friends, now I get to keep going. So I'm going to get my packet with the pumpkins and the ghost, and I'm going to turn to our math page for today. So I'm going to turn. Today is Wednesday, October 28th. I turn past the pages we've done, and here is our math page. The first thing I always do when we have a math page is I write my name. My name is Ms. Turner. You will write your name. Now get ready to do the first problem with me. We are going to use math drawings to solve our addition and subtraction sentences. First, I'm going to read here, there are 5 apples. 4 are Sam's. The rest are Jim's. How many apples does Jim have? I can circle in my problem the numbers I see. There are 5 apples. I will circle that number. Another number I see is 4. I will circle that number. Those are the 2 numbers I see in this problem. Now I get to fill in the parts I know in my number bond. So they already showed me that 5 is my total. I don't need to write it in. But there's a part that I know. 5 was the total, but there's another number, a part that we know. That number is 4. So I will write in 4. I also get to write the part I know in our adding and subtracting sentences. So I will write 4 in. And for subtracting, I will write 4. So 4 plus our missing part equals 5. 5 minus 4 equals our missing part. All right, I think I'm ready to do my math problem. I have set up everything I know. So now I get to draw my 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I get to circle the part that I know. I'm going to circle the part that I know. I know that we have 4. So I'm drawing a circle around 4 of my drawings, 4 of my circles. Now I get to count and cross off. What is my other part? 1. That was so easy peasy. There's just 1. 4 and 1 more make our number 5. So now I can fill in my missing part. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Jim has 1 apple. Great job, friends. We just solved that first problem. Now we have another problem. This problem says there are 8 mushrooms. 5 are black. The rest are white. How many mushrooms are white? So the numbers I see in this problem are I see 8 and then I see 5. I'm going to circle the numbers that are in the problem. Now I get to fill in the parts I know in our number bond and our math sentences. 8 is our total. They already told me that. Now I get to look back at my problem. How many mushrooms are black? 5 are black. So 5 is the part I know. I will write in 5. When I'm adding, my 2 parts come first, then my total after the equals sign, so I can write 5 in as one of my parts. Down here in my subtraction problem, I see 8, our total, minus, I will write the part we know. 5 equals something. All right, now it's your turn. You get to do a math drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm drawing our total. 6, 7, 8. Now you, my friend, get to circle the part that we know. Go ahead and do this by yourself. I know you can do it. Circle in your drawing the part that we know. Did you circle 5? That's right. We know that there are 5 black mushrooms. Now we get to cross off and count how many are left. 1, 2, 3. Our other part is 3. So I get to write down our other part is 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 3 of the mushrooms are white. I have solved that problem as well. All right, for this last part, you get to do it by yourself. You get to look at the number bond here. They have given you a box to do your math drawing, and then you get to fill in our adding sentence and our subtracting sentence. You have 2 problems to do, the one up here and the one here. You get to do these by yourself. When you are done, take a picture on Seesaw so your teacher can see the awesome work that you did. All right, friends, I will see you tomorrow. I can't wait to see what you do on Seesaw. Have a great day. Goodbye.